You want to learn firewall security, but the hardware costs thousands of dollars, the tutorials are scattered, and nothing actually works in production. Welcome to Firewall Support Center, the channel that teaches you real-world firewall skills on FortiGate, Palo Alto, HPE, Aruba Networks, and Cisco, completely free. I'm Ilhan, and for over a decade I've configured firewalls for banks, hospitals, and enterprise networks. Now I'm sharing everything I know, so you can build the same skills. Every week you'll get hands-on tutorials, real troubleshooting walkthroughs, and certification prep for NSE 4, PCNSE, and CCNP security. Whether you're a fresh graduate, switching careers into cybersecurity, or a working engineer leveling up your skills, this channel is built for you. No fluff, no sales pitches, just clear practical content you can apply to your job or your home lab today. Drop a comment with two things: which city you're watching from, and which firewall you want to master first. I read every single comment,